Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a stock market Excel sheet. First, open a new Excel workbook and set up your basic columns. You'll need headings for the stock ticker, the number of shares you own, your purchase price, and the current market price. This initial setup is crucial for organizing your investment data effectively. We'll then look at how to populate these fields with relevant information, ensuring your tracker is ready for action. Next, let's integrate live stock data. Excel's built-in stocks data type can automatically pull current prices and company information directly into your sheet. Simply type a ticker symbol, convert it to a stock data type, and then extract properties like price or company name. This automation saves you time and keeps your portfolio updated without manual input, making your tracking much more efficient and accurate. Now, let's focus on performance tracking. You can calculate your profit or loss for each stock by subtracting your purchase price from the current price and multiplying by the number of shares. Summing these individual gains and losses will give you your total portfolio performance. Consider adding a column for percentage change to quickly see how well each investment is performing relative to its cost. This analysis helps you make informed decisions. Finally, let's explore some advanced features. You might want to add columns for dividends received or even track your asset allocation across different sectors. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, there's a fantastic resource available. Check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. This comprehensive approach will elevate your stock market tracking to the next level, providing valuable insights for your financial journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.